Stick around in today's episode to watch me build an absolute dream build of an MTB. Let's get into this. We've got new parts, we've got new rubber, and we've even got a new bike. Let's do this. You might be wondering what the hell is in this box. This is a long overdue MTB purchase. You know what's crazy? We haven't done an unboxing on this channel in a long ass time. Before we go any further in today's episode, there is an insane deal right now on OWNA. Free t-shirt with every single hoodie that you order. This deal of a free t-shirt and a hoodie starts at 26 quid. Literally choose both, add them both to basket, and it will automatically discount the t-shirt to free. Go and get involved right now by typing us in on Google. OWNA, we're right at the top. Appreciate the support on the brand, you guys are the best. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I am hitting the OWNA hype every day hard. Let's get straight in to the dream build. Today we are installing some brand new MTB parts. There is something else that I wanted to say. I have purchased a new e-bike. That's crazy, but that's not for today. But I have purchased another electric bike. So make sure you get excited for that episode. It's going to be coming up in the near future. Check it out. We have got brand new, fresh rubber for the MTB. Some of you who watch the YouTube channel, who ride big bikes, will know I have ridden Maxxis tyres for as long as I've been alive, and now that is about to change. Let's unbox these baddies. Oh my god, so that's the box it comes in, fully emptied, ready to be fucked off. Check the beasts out. Now, I did pay over the odds for these. The only place that I could find that had stock in a 27.5 downhill casing, super soft compound was Continental's direct website, which then went to a weird supplier's website. But anyway, it's the next day and they have arrived, so it works if you're thinking of ordering off them. Oh yes, they feel so slimy. Oh my god. Damn, these look fucking crazy. That right there is the Continental Grip Total with all the bits that you need. For sessions at places like Revolution Bike Park, these are gonna be baddies. Pumped up, they're gonna be super sturdy. If you've been watching this channel for a long time, you will know that I have been running a free XO Maxxis tyre on the back, and that is just dead. And if you can hear snoring, it's the Frenchies. So, second Continental Grip Total. This is exactly the same. I think one's the front and one's the rear. Does it say, or does it not? Rear. That's the rear, which it says RE. And this right here is the front. Hell yeah. I'm stoked on this. Oh, you know what I just realised? On the side of the box is all the different symbols that you might need. So if you want to pause that and take a good look, feel free. I don't give a fuck. I know what I've ordered. I know what's going to work. I am so done with the Maxxis hype. Nothing against Maxxis. Sick as fuck tyres. I just want to try something different. It says FR. The FR. Grip Total FR. You've got the downhill gravity tyre, super soft compound, downhill casing. These feel real sturdy. Like when I'm doing this, they are pretty damn sturdy. Like look at that. That's just going to be good. This is going to transform the ride. So, as you can see, we are in the garage. We are so close to this car being complete. I know a lot of you are tuned in today to see the mountain bike mods, but the car is going to be done in the next episode. I got a bit of stuff I'm waiting on right now. It got delivered today and a bit of it comes tomorrow to be able to finish this build. So bear with me, stay tuned. The RS3 will be finished in the next episode. For those of you who've been watching the channel for a while, you will know that I have been building an absolute machine of a Specialized Kenevo. This is a Gen 2. It has the 2.2 Bros motor. It has a 700 watt-hour battery, and it has some fresh, shiny Kashima Fox 38 forks laced to a carbon E13 front wheel on a Hope Pro 4 hub. Now, there's only one thing that could make this bike even sicker up front, and that is some Continental rubber. Axle is off. That means the wheel should drop out. Oh yeah. To be honest, these tyres have been good. It is emotional getting rid of the Maxxis tyres, but it is time for a change. I'm feeling like I want to change, so that's why we're getting rid of the Maxxis. So right now, and you know what? These are pretty old tyres. These are pretty shagged. You can actually start to see the bead on the side of these. Look at this. Absolutely hellish injury from when I was bagging my car. So bruised under the nail. I was pulling on a tool and it smashed into the disc. That is what I'm dealing with, so this is going to be a painful episode. We got my free trusty tyre levers right here. The metal one you shouldn't really use on carbon, but we're going to do it anyway. My God, this is fucking shit. Oh. Scabby tyre. Scabby tyre. Oh. So, there we go. Absolutely living the dream, and it is running an inner tube. In fact, I'm just going to carry on running an inner tube. I can't be bothered to deal with it right now. That is super fucking scabby. Wow. Wow. So let's just take a minute to appreciate the difference in these two tyres. Look at that for a front tyre, and look at that for a front tyre. Rotational this way. Oh yeah, this thing looks fucking insane. Fresh rubber on a scabby wheel. That is good, but the rest of it can get fucked. Oh, these are fucking tight, these. Wow, seriously tight. So that is one side of this tyre in, and fucking hell, it is so stiff. That's crazy. What makes it even more insane is that I can just see the inner tube getting pinched to goddamn death. It's just not that helpful. These are the tightest tyres I've ever tried to install. There is no doubt in my fucking mind. Oh, that noise is when you know you've made it. Damn, they look crazy. Let me just double check. This goes on the left. My God, so when you do that, they're so grippy, and look how tall them knobbles actually are. That is insane. I'm so excited to try these, especially as we come into winter. A super soft tyre probably is a summer tyre, but I kind of want to try them before the weather turns real bad. Damn, 27.5, 2.4, grip total, super soft, DH casing, gravity front tyre. That's a beast. Let's reinstall it on the bike. Jeez. It's definitely easy to forget how much you need tyres until you put a new set on, and then you realise, holy shit, that's exactly what I've been missing. This is how crazy the difference is. I have nearly no middles at all in my Free XO tyre, and this thing has shitloads. Look at it. So that is brand new. Look at it. Looks fucking crazy. This tyre is long overdue the end of its life. So this is a Free XO tyre, which is like a trail tyre. You should not be running this tyre anywhere near a downhill park. They are so slack. How fucking saggy this tyre goes now. Watch. Get that. Oh my god. Only this year. So, they're beast. Look how saggy it is compared to that. You go like that, and it just caves in on itself. It's a bit of a floppy beast. Whereas you physically, as much as you try, you could not do that with my new tyres. Okay, now it is time to fight with the Conti. My god. Fucking hell. This is falling apart. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not doing as good with this one. This is fucking so tight. It's crazy. I'm gonna hold that one like that. We are nearly there. That is the only thing that I would say is a positive. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh, this thing is looking crazy on the Continentals. Rotation that way, disc is on that way, which means we've got it right. Look at that. Continental, grip total, DH casing, super soft compound. I hope these are any good. These sound fucking crazy. So, check this shit out. The beast is, oh, she's sharp, tacky. Looks good though. Looks good on the Contis. So, check it out. The beasts are on. It is the next day and the install went quite successful. In the future, I do want to change these up and make them tubeless, but for the time being, I'm pretty happy with inner tubes. It's just easier when you get a flat at a bike park. I find it a little bit easier just to put an inner tube in. I know some of the little tiny pieces that go in your tyres do reseal with tubeless fluid, but I find a lot of the time the holes are that big, the tyre's usually fucked for me with the stuff that I ride. So I'm not against tubes, doesn't bother me too much, especially with an electric bike. Check the beast out. Looking absolutely flex mode. Continental. Grip total with all the bits on, just looks proper fresh now. Look at it. Insane levels of steez. Stay tuned. In the future I'm going to be doing a ride episode with the new tyres, somewhere we've never ridden before, to make it a really cool episode. Appreciate the support, checking out the video. Make sure you smash the like button if you're stoked on the MTB mods. Bit of a big purchase, £160 for the 2 tyres, but you know what? I think it's actually going to make my bike ride night and day different. So I'm stoked on that. Absolutely sick. That's going to be the end of today's episode. I hope you've enjoyed some bike mods. Don't forget there is a crazy deal on OWNA right now, which is a free t-shirt with every single hoodie. Simply add your hoodie, add your t-shirt, and you'll get your t-shirt completely free. Choose any t-shirt that you want. It's that simple. You guys are the best for support on OWNA. Make sure you check out the next video and smash the like button. I'll see you next time. Peace out.